North Texas. Remember, 1 acre is about the same size of a football field. The entire town of Wheeler was evacuated over the weekend as the blaze destroyed 8 homes and buildings, and it was under control this morning, but still only 25% contained. Here's a look at your forecast. Unfortunately, no rain in the forecast. This state is actually seeing the worst drought of anyone. Temperatures will mainly be in the 70s throughout the entire state.
Wheeler up there in North Texas, of course. We'll be right back to detail the winds that are blowing east of the Atlantic and then north to Canada as part of this stormy weather.
Plus, how are specific weather ingredients creating a pothole problem in the Midwest? We'll explain coming up.
And new projections on the polar ice caps are stunning. Just how thin is the ice? Stay tuned for the newest information.
Stay now, play later at Best Western. Get a $50 Best Western gift card for summer when you stay 2 times before June 14th. Better values, Best Western. Enjoy our rewards at any of over 4,000 hotels worldwide. For details, visit bestwestern.com.
We've lowered the price of looking beautiful. We've lowered the price of eating out more often. We've lowered the price of more color. We've lowered over 1,000 prices on the leading brands you use and buy the most, so you can do more with your budget and your spring. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Get Scott's Naturescapes mulch right now for only $3.97 a bag.
If you think Geico's the cheap insurance company, then you're going to really be confused when you hear this. Drivers who switch from Geico to Allstate saved an average of $518 a year. Confused? Don't be.
Tomorrow morning on Your Weather Today, the South is getting hit with a dose of winter, where live as unwelcome snowfall takes a stand. And while some are dodging spring snow, find out where the threat of severe wind and rain still persists. Your Weather Today, only on the Weather Channel.
You're watching the Weather Channel. And now, your local on the 8s.
Currently in our area, 40 degrees with light rain. A freeze warning and a freeze watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, mix of rain and snow, low 30. Winds west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. And on Tuesday, variably cloudy with light snow flurries possible. Cold, high 37. And Tuesday night, partly cloudy, low 27. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
Strong storms moved through the Bluegrass State last night, causing damage in several counties. A preliminary site survey by the National Weather Service indicates an EF1 tornado touched down in Casey County, Kentucky. Now, there are several reports of downed trees blocking roadways, as well as roofs blown off homes. No reports of injuries just yet. But guess what? We could see more severe weather like this as we head towards the end of the week. Today, we actually had an EF2 in North Carolina. I mean, it's like we have severe weather, snow, flooding. I mean, it's...
Yeah, the severe weather threat will still persist this week, but the temperature is probably the one thing that everyone's noticed.
And we'll get to the temperatures in just a minute, but first let me show you where we are seeing the rain and where we are seeing the snow. Into the northeast is where we have all the active weather, but our next system that's going to cause the severe weather, well, that's out in the Pacific. That's going to head eastbound as well, but let's deal with our first